Assuming you were giving an equation look like this with two variables, you can solve for either variable A or B. In our case here, solving for variable B actually is a pretty complicated, it requires quadratic equation. So let's assume we're solving for A here, which is a little easier, and let's go through the steps of what you do. Okay, first thing you do is you're going to combine this side and make it into a common denominator. So you have a B 2 minus 2A plus 2 minus A 2 minus A. All I did is find a common denominator here. I'm going to combine this, and then you have a B plus 2 minus A divided by 2 minus A is equal to 1 over B. Okay, this is a fractional equation, which is really tedious. What you can do is, what I tell my students is draw the butterfly, and this is how you get out the fractional equation. The butterfly basically says multiply the diagonals. So you have a B times B plus 2 minus A is equal to 1 times 2 minus A. Now notice that earlier I said that we're solving for A, so let's put a error on the A. We're going to keep track of A as our variable. We're going to gather all the variables to one side. So let's distribute it first. B squared plus 2B minus AB, A times B, is equal to 2 minus A. Okay, since A is my, let's put the arrows back on there. Since A is my variable, the one I'm solving for, I'm going to keep all the A's on the left-hand side and move everything else over. Okay, so let's try that. I'm going to plus A here, plus A here. Okay, minus B squared minus 2B. I'm going to be minus B squared minus 2B. Okay, so here's my equal sign line. This cancels. I have minus A times B plus A is equal to, this cancels, 2 minus B squared minus 2B. Okay. Since I'm solving for A is my variable, I'm going to pull the A out so I can divide minus B plus 1 over here. Now notice this has to be a 1. Okay, A over A is not 0, it's 1. Is equal to 2 minus B squared minus 2B. We don't know what a B is, but for this case, since we're not solving for B, we're going to pretend that B are constants over here. Okay, now one more step when we're there. So we're going to divide whatever A is multiplied by. So I have 2 minus B squared minus 2B divided by, let's see, what do we have here? 1 minus B. Okay, that's how you solve for variable A. Okay, have a confident day.